put it in my hand, just like that. I'm actually gonna get a couple more. I'm gonna unscrew this bottle cap, put all these in my mouth. I'm gonna fire a drink. That's the result. Last experiment was a little wet, so decided to put my shirt up a little. Also, this next experiment, something most likely you've never seen. I'm gonna try and transform my body into a Diet Coke bottle and try and do the same thing you saw in the first experiment. I don't know what's gonna happen right here, but I'm very curious to see. So here we go. I'm gonna drink half of this bottle of Diet Coke first, and then I'm gonna be starting to swallow some of these Mentos. Here we go. Unwrap these so I'm ready to go. Alright.
How much you got left?
Here we go. I'm gonna try and shake my body up. Try and do a burpee. Come on! More Diet Coke. Come on, blow up! I don't feel good. That's for sure. Well, the third experiment was a fail. I guess the myth of trying to make your body a bottle of Diet Coke didn't work, so hey, better luck next time, right? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later, guys.